Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Everyone. The cabinet had met and discussed the incident that had happened this morning in Mukhroh area in West Jingiakynduh district. The details of the incident were discussed and a report was given by the officials. And apart from that, the Honorable Home Minister of Meghalaya had made a visit also to the spot and to Mukhroh village, and he had come back and he had briefed us on the information and the reports that came from ground zero. After all the discussions that we had, few very important and critical decisions were made. I would like to divide the discussions into two parts. The first would be the cabinet decisions. So first, the cabinet has decided that on the 24th of this month, which is day after tomorrow, a cabinet delegation will be meeting the Honorable Home Minister of India, and we will be officially informing him about the firing incident that took place in Mukhroh village, and we will be demanding that an investigation be made by a central agency, either NIA or CBI. Number two, we have also decided as a government that, keeping in mind the incident that has taken place, the very unfortunate incident, that all official government programs, including foundation stones or inaugurations of any programs or any government official programs, will be suspended till the 30th. And only after 30th will we take up the programs as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Third, we have also decided that all festivals of the government of Meghalaya in any part of the state, all the festivals will be cancelled and none of the festivals will take place. As mentioned, that this is a very unfortunate and very sad incident that has taken place, and hence, keeping that in mind, to show the solidarity with the people who have lost their lives, the families who have lost their loved ones, the government of Meghalaya has decided that all festivals throughout the state will be cancelled. We have also decided that in our visit to Delhi, we will be meeting the National Human Rights Commission and we will be submitting our report to the National Human Rights Commission as well. Apart from that, we have also decided today that an SIT will be constituted to investigate into this case, as the FIR has been lodged, and the DIG of the Eastern Range will be heading this SIT. Apart from this, while we appeal to Government of India that an agency from the central agency should take over the investigation, in the meantime this SIT will start conducting the investigation, and as and when the Government of India hands it over or approves this investigation to be headed by a central agency, the investigation will be handed over to them. We have also decided that a judicial commission under the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952 will be constituted to look into all the aspects of this particular incident that has taken place. The HE Minister and the Honorable Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management, along with me, will be making a visit to Mukhroh village, and we will be meeting the families of the individuals who have lost their lives, and we will go and we will express our condolences, and we will also hand over the ex gratia checks to the families of the individuals who have lost their lives. So this will be done tomorrow. At the same time, after the meeting in the morning, along with all the church leaders and all the other traditional heads and some of the NGOs who were there, I had a telephonic conversation with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and in the discussion I have expressed our very, very deep concern about the incident that had taken place and the unfortunate incident that took place, and briefed him about how the situation happened, and appealed to him that immediate action should be taken against the officials who are involved or responsible for what happened in Mukhroh village. Based on the discussion I had with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, the OC of Jingiakynduh police station who was involved in this entire action has been suspended. The Forest Range Protection Officer, who was also the officer who was in charge in this area and very much part of the incident, has been suspended. The SP of West Karbi district has been transferred, and at the same time the Assam government also will be taking necessary steps to investigate into the matter in consultation with Meghalaya government. And at the same time, the Assam government has assured that whatever demands and requests that we put to Government of India, the Assam government will cooperate to ensure that justice is done and those who are guilty are punished.